Your research depends on the integrity of your samples. To push the boundaries of sequencing, you need a library prep workflow that can capture even the rarest of molecules. At Twist, we don't just source what's available. We've engineered enzymes to maximize NGS performance, giving you the confidence that your samples are in good hands. It's precision engineering built to give you more. For whole genome sequencing, the Twist PCR-free WGS Library Preparation Kit removes amplification-induced artifacts and minimizes ligation bias, driving stronger library yields even from low-input and degraded samples, so you can confidently call variants and produce reproducible whole genome data run after run. With Twist, you can elevate quality across your use cases. By effectively handling challenging sample types, we improve sequencing efficiency, which helps you optimize your sequencing output. Characterize genetic variants in your sample type with confidence and efficiency. Get started at twistbioscience.com.